guys, it's your girl ARIE and I'm back with another video. I'm back again with my cousin. You guys probably already saw the Fashion Nova jeans try on haul. Now this is the Lovely Wholesale try on haul. Last time you guys know that they sent me 4 items. This time they sent me 5 items. All the items will be listed down below. I got everything in a size small. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm mad tired too. Amari.
I see you. Leave him.
Amari. Amari. You so tired. Nice y'all feel that I'm tired and you wanna keep me up? Huh?
Yo, that little boy. I didn't even say nothing. I didn't even say nothing.
Alright, y'all, and don't be in the comments like, why she got on the hat? I got on the hat because it was a hat wig and my hair is not underneath and I did not feel like putting on a wig. Anyways, this is the first outfit.
Alright.
This is called the astronaut. No, I'm joking. This is called, the name is not even on it. Yeah, everything will be down below. All the links will be down below in order, y'all. Don't worry about it.
Nah.
If it was a little tighter, you see the
okay
though, right?
Okay. This concept of outfit it looks cute, but it just needs to be smaller. I feel like if it was smaller,
yeah,
and it fitted like more of the body, it wouldn't be that bad.
Like, this is
especially if you wear all black hair.
This is how it's supposed to be.
Okay, got you.
See?
Okay, yeah.
So y'all, this is how it's supposed to be.
Got you.
But it's not. But I still like it though.
I like it.
I like it.
It's cute. It's a cute, like a quick outfit to run over. I'm gonna give it a 9.
A 9? A 9?
Only because I need to see it all tight. I need to see it fitted. It gotta look amazing to me and everybody else. So a 9.
Alright, I'll take a 9. Cause I was gonna give it a 2.
Now if it was all something, it would have been 10. Cause you just have to see the vision, y'all. You gotta see the vision. Amari is really out.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh! I am gonna look, y'all. I know I'm gonna like this one. I feel it. I feel it in these bones. Everywhere I go, I see you walking by. Everywhere I go.
You like it?
I like it.
I feel like this could be a little tighter. I'm not gonna show you guys with my hat. I'm gonna show you guys how it look with just the hair. But I feel like this could be a little tighter if I gain weight like right here.
Yeah.
This would be perfect.
Yes.
This
I
would
like
be perfect.
it. I like it. Especially I like the little halter top illusion looking thing. I like that. It's like a halter top with sleeves.
Yeah.
And a bodysuit in one. I like it. I like it.
And this foot for your thumbs, but I don't like that.
I like the color too.
Yeah,
I'm gonna give it a 10.
A 10?
I'm gonna give it a 10 because I like the color. I like the color, and then I like the little halter top part. I like that.
I like this.
And then got the little part that's open right there. It don't zip past it. Like it's supposed to look like that.
Yeah,
I like that.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay.
Nika,
I'm gonna give that a 10.
Nika. Alright, so this is a sweatsuit. This is a sweatsuit I know everybody see on Instagram trending right now.
Yada yada yada.
Yes.
I like it.
I just wish it was a little tighter.
Yes.
A little tighter.
Yes.
It fit though, but I wish it was a little tiny tad bit tighter. This is an everyday wear right here.
I like that sweatsuit.
Like it?
I like it. I like the color. I like gray anyway.
Yeah, I love gray, y'all. I have the same thing in black, so I feel like there's no point of me trying it on.
Cause it would be.
It's the same thing in black, basically. So yeah.
I like it. I'm gonna give it a.
My head itch, y'all.
I'm gonna give it a 9.5.
9.5? That's valid.
Yeah.
I feel like the sweater fit mad weird though.
Yeah, that's what was throwing me up. That's what I was looking at.
Alright, y'all. This is the next outfit, right? And one thing about this, when I'm walking, the back, y'all see that, right?
It falls
The
down.
back is like coming down. The back is fitted in a way, but it's too slippery.
The material.
Yes.
It has to be.
I love it though. Oh my god, I would love this, but yeah, I don't want to be walking down the street before you know it. My pants is off my butt.
Yeah. Those is really baggy.
Bro.
The material is really loose. Did you like your pants loose, falling?
Yeah, no, but this is supposed to be like some tight joint like that, bro.
Like the shirt tight.
Yes.
Sleeve.
Yeah, because the shirt is mad tight, bro.
Yeah, I can see.
Like the sleeves is like a little stiff in a way.
I can tell, yeah.
But if the pants was like that,
everything,
like this,
it would be cute. It would be really cute.
Don't worry. Let me hit 120, y'all. It's gonna fit nice. But I don't even know if I want it like that. Maybe
but I don't even know.
I want it more
about that
tomorrow.
top though.
Sorry, y'all.
I feel like the top would still be
Yeah, the top
baggy.
is
The front.
It's not supposed to be like
And why is it open so much? You don't got no button.
I like this though, but it's like it's a love-hate relationship with this. I'm sorry, I just can't get over that.
You say your whole you would look like a stinker butt.
Yeah, I'm crying.
So,
oh god.
I'm gonna have to get those. I love the color.
Love the color.
That's one.
Love
I
it.
love the design and the style of it, but I don't like the way it fits on her. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna give it an 8.
An 8. That's not bad though. 'Cause I wasn't going to.
Because 9, 10 would be the fitted part, and the more so of the top is very revealing. It doesn't have like a closed part, no button.
It opens up OD, y'all.
So
like,
that's another thing.
maybe I'm supposed to wear it with no bra. I'm supposed to be like this.
But I feel like the material's gonna slide off and show your breast.
Yeah, I never saw like yeah.
No.
So yeah, this is it for this video, y'all. This is it. In the comments, let me know which one was your favorite. But that is all for this video, y'all. All the details to the outfit will be down below. Everything was from Lovelywholesale. All the info will be in the description box. All my cousin details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. On the road to 60K. Let's get us going. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Boom.
Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.